welcome to Running in Circles with Heidi. I am going to do a warm-up with you. Hopefully it's not too windy. Sorry if it is. This week I am talking about labels and how interesting they are. Some labels are hard to adopt, and others get stuck on us by other people, and we easily accept those. It's so interesting. So, like, for instance, for years, I've been a runner, but I had the hardest time admitting that I was a runner. Because in my mind, the definition of a runner was someone who ran and never walked. So even after running many races, including marathons, I was finally able, after years, to be able to say, I'm a runner. And I see this a lot. People who are artists, they're like always questioning whether they're an artist or not. Like, you're an artist, own it. So it's easy to see it in other people. That you should just own your label. You're an artist and you are incredibly talented. So I'm a runner, and I have been for years. So it's so interesting. Now I'm an author. So what are you? Are you a poet? Are you a creative? Are you an entrepreneur? And have you owned it? I'm thinking a lot about this because I just last week realized that I had adopted a label that someone gave me. Oops. That was never true, ever. It's never true. But I adopted it so easily, like that, so easy. It's been like 15 years that I've been holding on to it. I dropped it last week though. Just this weekend I dropped it. It's over. So it's so interesting how hard it is to own our own labels that are true, but how easy we pick up labels that people give us. So interesting. So that's what I'm musing on this week. I talk a lot about it in my weekly email that I send to my friends. It's so interesting how hard it is. It's so weird. But yeah, I'm a runner. I am a poet. I'm a writer. What else am I? Yeah, let's talk about it. I'm gonna make a list today. I'm an organizer. I love to clean. I'm someone who loves to read and lay on the beach. So interesting. So that is what I'm talking about today. This week is labels. So own your label. The ones that serve you. The ones that don't, decide to drop it. That's all. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm gonna run in circles. You know, our goals are just 1/4 mile at a time, and I love to start my week off right with some excellent exercise. The weather is perfect today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.